Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer. I'm a current student here at Johnson & Wales, and today we're going to give you guys a tour of the residence halls for first-year students. McNulty is home to first-year and transfer students. It's right in the heart of Gaby Commons and downtown Providence.
Hi, I'm Julia.
I'm Gianna.
And we live in McNulty Hall on the 7th floor. Let's go into our quad. All the beds are placed strategically in each corner of the room. So here's the first bed. And it's right by the big window, which has a nice view of Providence. And as you keep going, here's my bed. As you keep going down.
This is my bed, and then over here we have our roommate Emmy's bed. Each person gets their own closet and their own desk, so everyone has their own space. One great thing about McNulty is that every single room has their own private bathroom.
Each floor has at least 2 laundry rooms, which is so useful. We're right by it, so you can always get your laundry done. There's lounges on each floor where you can always hang out, study, and hang with friends. When I first moved into McNulty Hall, I was worried how far it would be from my classes because we are in Providence, but luckily it's like a 5-minute walk to my classes, a 5-minute walk from Starbucks, so it's really convenient.
And since we're not culinary or baking students, then all of our classes, our major classes, and our gen eds are all down city. So it's great that our buildings are so close to the hall.
However, our roommate Faith is a baking pastry major. So each morning she just takes the Wildcat Wheels, which is right in front of the Gaby Common area. So it's really convenient to go to campus.
That's another thing I forgot about McNulty is Gaby Commons is right outside, and they do tons of events throughout the year there. You'll always see people out there playing spike ball or volleyball, especially when the weather's nice. So that's also another great way to make friends and meet people is right outside.
And plus, the dining hall is so close to us. It's in Snowden, which is literally a 2-minute walk. So everything is so strategically placed in McNulty to make it convenient for us.
Something about McNulty Hall that I really like is that it's down city. We're right in the middle of downtown Providence, so there's plenty of restaurants you can go to. There's a ton of cute little shops and little thrift stores and things like that. There's also really good food all just around this area.
South Hall is located on the Harborside campus, which has lots of green space for relaxing, and it's right on the Narragansett Bay.
My name's Isabel.
My name's Max.
My name's Sarah.
And this is our room in South Hall. Every room in South is pretty spacious. This is a quad, but there's only 3 of us in here, so we have extra things. South is really lively. It's very active. It's really easy to make friends here. Most of the time you'll walk past people's rooms and they'll just have their door wide open. We have a lot of common spaces in South where it makes it really easy to meet people. There's going to be somebody in a room pretty much always. In South, we only have communal bathrooms, and there are 2 gender-neutral bathrooms downstairs.
As you could tell by all of the stuff, we all kind of have different personalities, so it kind of brings the room together, and it's honestly so cutie.
Yeah, I mean, you can get really close with people very fast. It's kind of what happened with the 3 of us. We kind of got super close really fast, especially because of the close quarter living, so. Yeah.
So all 3 of us are really good friends with some people downstairs who have an open door policy. So you don't ever have to knock. You can just walk in, and half the time they just have their door open, which I feel like created a really good environment because it makes it really welcoming.
And they're always listening to music, so you know, if you hear something, you can walk and be like, oh, I like that.
I like that song. Yeah. I was really nervous to venture out and actually talk to people, but being so close with everybody in South, it made it really easy to actually connect with people. And it made it so much easier to make friends. Once you just walk out of your door, just take a little look around, walk around, you're gonna see so many people. And so many people are gonna say hi back. All you have to do is wave. So living in South is definitely a good place to try to build a community, especially if you're really anxious in the beginning. Once you actually get out there, you realize it's not so scary. And South really makes it a lot less scary than it feels, so.
Another option for first-year students is Harborview. It's near our Harborside campus and it has a beautiful view of the bay.
Welcome to our lovely room. This is where I have been living for my first year at Johnson & Wales. Let me show you around. One of my favorite things about Harborview is the harbor view, hence the name. I get to wake up to this beautiful view every single morning. I chose Harborview for a few reasons. One, we have a pet-friendly room on the first floor. Another thing I love about Harborview is the parking that's available. I brought my car here and there is a lot of parking available and it makes it really easy for transportation. Buses also are very frequent here, so there's never an issue about getting to campus. And campus is only 2 minutes away, honestly, so it's a very, very quick drive, and it's very close. It's like a 15-minute walk. The walk is very safe, too. We have our own private bathroom, which is the best thing. Harborview is very quiet, which is very nice because it's kind of separated from campus. So especially the 4th floor that I'm on, it's very serene and peaceful and not overstimulating.
My favorite thing about Harborview is also the quiet that we get. I don't like living in a loud environment, and the people here are generally quite respectful of each other's space.
Whether you enjoy the fast-paced feel of the city or taking serene walks along the bay, you're sure to find a res hall that suits you best. Hope you guys liked the tour. If you want to learn more about residence halls, go to the link in the description down below, and I'll see you guys around campus. Bye!